Welcome back to my channel, everybody, and today I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. Please don't let this be like another don't click video. Please don't. Please don't. Too late. How dare you. Okay, anyhow, before you guys click out of this video, I'm going to be trying, I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. And, yeah. It's not the rig that you guys, well, I got a little bit off camera there. You guys see, it's perfectly normal Rubik's Cube, and there won't be no editing, so you'll see everything as is. So, yeah, I'm just gonna mix this up. Yeah. I'm just mixing it up. Okay, it should be good and mixed up now, and as I'm sure you guys can tell, quietly mixed up. Not the best, but you guys are not here to see me mix up the cube. You're here to see me solve it. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I promise you, there is no camera trickery or anything like that. No, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Be a lot easier way of getting this done quickly. Okay, well, we'll see how fast I can get this sucker solved. Wow, okay. Got a little stuck there for a second. Hopefully I don't take too long. Sometimes I can solve these suckers fast, sometimes not so much. So, it varies with me, so. Turn! Gone you. Okay, I lost the cube. My bad. Well, there you go, wee bud. Okay. Wow, that took about 5 seconds out of me trying to solve this. So much for my fast speed. Now turn. Okay, had a little brain fart there for a second. There we go. The cube is now solved. How awesome am I? Very, very awesome. I like to think so, at least. And a perfect checkerboard. I don't know why I do that. Well, probably because I can. So yeah, there you go. That's how to solve a Rubik's Cube without the actual tutorial. Maybe I should give a tutorial. I don't know. And then again, I don't know how to explain this very well, so I don't know. I've tried teaching some people, but they can't seem to grasp the concept, so I don't know. Maybe I'll try creating a tutorial, but either way, Rubik's Cube solved. There's no dead. I caught it. There's no editing or rigging to this. It's perfectly normal Rubik's Cube, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed my not very good solve of this video. I didn't solve the video. Why do I keep goofing up in these videos? I always say the incorrect thing. Always. Always. Except for this time. Alright, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you next time.